Alright, so another one of the vehicles that we have for that's new to us is this CFMOTO 600. It's a 4x4. It's the touring edition, so it's the 2+ 2-seater. So that's Kai. What we did is we purchased this 4-wheeler and we haven't gotten a trailer yet. So today we're gonna try to load the 4-wheeler in the back of the Ram here and see how that goes. We decided to go with the tri-fold ramp from Harbor Freight. But first thing I have to do is take off the my backflip cover. So I have a hard cover on the back of my truck that covers the back of the bed. That has to come off, which is only just two bolts there in the front, and it pops right off. So it's just a little awkward to carry, but other than that, it's not too bad. So we should be able to get that off and then rig up this ramp and drive her into the back of the truck and see how it goes. So first time trying this, first time I've ever loaded a 4-wheeler in the back of a truck, so we'll see how that goes. That's just 2 bolts. Corners here. Once those are off, just lift it out here. Okay, now we're going to open our ramp and see how this works. Alright, so this is a Harbor Freight Haulmaster. So we'll see. Looked online, it looked like it was like one of the least expensive options. And since we're going to be getting a trailer, we probably won't be loading this in the truck too often. Unless we're just going riding local, somewhere close by. Then it might be easier to just do this rather than go get the trailer and all that. So. I think this ramp was like $135 or something like that at Harbor Freight, so it's supposed to be pretty simple. Basically, just set it down on your tailgate like so, and then get these zip ties. It's got a like so. I think what I'm gonna do is use a ratchet strap just for a little more security, because I don't like the chains. So we're going to use our ratchet strap here to get to the ramp. I think. Feels pretty secure. Alright, so feeling pretty confident about that not coming off. We'll do the interesting part now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Alright. we're gonna take this nice and slow and see how it goes. We're gonna get low range and 4-wheel drive to drive it up. So. Call that a success. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? Well, it fits perfect. It's in the truck. It's not a... I think it's pretty good. Alright, so that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Looks like it fits. So CForce 600 Touring 2-seater in the back of a short cab Ram Rebel 1500. Got her up there safely, so we didn't tip over or hurt anything, so pretty good.